Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina. In today's video we are going to see how to get a free online certificate for food and nutrition. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Click on the link in the description below so that you reach this particular website. This website is called as Edelytics Online, and here when you scroll down through the website you can see there are various free courses, but we are just interested in the nutrition course, so we'll scroll down yet and then we'll reach this particular course, that is Certification on Diet and Nutrition by Avalon Shiksha Niketan. Click on See More, and here you can scroll down. You can see the status says I haven't enrolled yet and the price is free, and so I will log in to get started. So as I haven't yet made an account, so I am going to make an account over here. So you should click on register to make an account, and you have to fill in these primary details over here so that you get registered. So enter your full name in English, enter your email address as user ID and verify the same in your inbox. Age should only be in numericals and phone number is compulsory. So if at all you don't want to put your phone number, that is also alright. So let me just check with the details first. So I've clicked on register. It is still loading. As you can see, my account is registered. Now we'll go back to the page. We'll click on See More and then we'll scroll down and we'll click on Take this course. So here you can see I have 0% completed the course, that is 0 out of 1, and after that I have to take a test. Okay, so I'm going to go through this course and I'm going to take the test. The test is based on food and nutrition. Select the correct options to answer each question. Refer to the maximum time allowed for each exam. The time limit for the examination is 20 minutes. And this is the time available for the candidate to demonstrate the widest range of skills they can. And the candidates are advised to make full use of this. Exam is of 100 marks, no negative marking. Certificate of Achievement in Food and Nutrition is awarded by Avalon Shiksha Niketan only after securing a minimum of 60 marks in the assessment, which judges the basic concept of food and nutrition. All earned certificates are in your profile section. All our certificates can be verified online with a unique certificate ID. So let's start the quiz. As you can see, I finished the quiz, but anyways, I finished the quiz and now I'm going to print my certificate. Here you can see that I have got the certificate from Avalon Shiksha Niketan, an award-winning institution in the field of aviation, tourism and hospitality, which gives a certificate of achievement. This certificate is proudly presented to Dr. Samina. The candidate has displayed deep understanding with exemplary professional knowledge and awareness of the basic fundamentals in diet and nutrition. The certificate ID as well as the date is displayed. I can just click here to download the certificate. So if you're wondering, you have many other certificates but you don't know exactly what to do with these certificates, watch this video on the right corner of your screen to see how to use these certificates in your CV or resume. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on our latest updates, and thank you so much for watching.